So this is what the three problems I am going to explain now. 11th problem, 20th problem and 24th problem. So what I said, I am going to explain a complicated problem, right? So complicated in the sense it's nothing. Actually the last video we have seen some problems in quadratic equation, and I gave all the problems directly in the form of quadratic. So directly if it is given, we have no problem. Just we can look into the question, we can decide whether we can solve by using identity or we can use the sum product rule to solve the problem. But we should not expect every time all the problem if it is given in the form of directly, it is in the form of quadratic equation. So sometimes the problem it may be given like this. So just look at here your 11th question. It is given here x plus 3, x minus 3 is equal to 27. So when we are looking into the question, we cannot say whether it is quadratic or not a quadratic form, right? So like these kind of questions, we want to completely solve the given equation. See, look at here your 20th problem. Here also the question it is given like 6x into 3x minus 7 is equal to 7 into 7 minus 3x. So this also we should know, we couldn't say it is a quadratic or non-quadratic. After solving the given equation only it comes to know that it's a quadratic or not non-quadratic equation. Then we can use the, if it is quadratic we can use the factorization method to solve it. And look at this 24th problem. So 24th problem also, x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 1 by 3, right? So this problem also it is not given in the form of quadratic. So if any problem is given like this form, the initial step, children, you have to remember that first we want to solve the problem completely. Then only we have to apply the procedure for factorization if you get the final form, if it is in the form of quadratic, right? So now the question, x plus 3 x minus 3 is equal to 27. I am going to solve it first. So how to solve? LHS side we have x plus 3 into x minus 3. It's product of binomial terms. So we want to multiply. We should do the algebraic product. Yes. So that you already know how to do it. Yes. Wait. So here I can do algebraic product. So how to do algebraic product? We want to multiply the first number into this one, second number into this one. Yes. So x into x minus 3. What is the second number here? Plus 3. So plus 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 27. Okay. So after you have multiplied x into the whole term, remember x into the whole term and then second number into the whole term. So first you have to write like this, x into x minus 3 plus 3 into x minus 3. So after you have written this step, we want to remove the bracket. How can we remove the bracket? Just multiply this number inside the bracket. So multiplied x inside with first term as well as your second term. Similarly 3 with your first term as well as your second term, right? So what is here? X into x is nothing but x square minus 3 into x is 3x, and then here 3 into x is nothing but 3x, and 3 3s are, and here plus and here minus, so plus into minus, minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 27. And look at here, minus 3x and plus 3x, so both are same terms but alternate sign get cancelled, become 0. So the remaining terms we have x square minus 9 is equal to 27. Children, actually I have applied here algebraic product to solve and bring this one, right? Actually we have applied another method also. Instead of this, just look at the terms here. We may use the identity also. In this LHS form, it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So what is the identity? Actually the identity, it says that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, right? So you can take this x is equal to a and b is equal to 3. Okay, so just apply here, apply in this identity. If you applied here, it is x is equal to a and 3 is equal to b. Apply here, x plus 3, x minus 3 is equal to a square minus b square. So a is nothing but your x and b is nothing but your 3, that is 3 square. So what is the answer? X square minus 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3, it is 9. Just look at here. Here also x square minus 9 and here also x square minus 9. So instead of this algebraic product, you may apply this identity also. Okay, if you are very good in identity, you can use the identity also for the LHS side to solve it. Okay, so because both the one we are getting the same answer, x square minus 9, x square minus 9. Okay, then after you are getting this step, you have to transpose everything one side. Okay, so just you transpose this 27 this side. So plus 27 will become minus 27 is equal to 0. And what about these two numbers or negative numbers? If two numbers are negative, we want to add. If two numbers are positive also, we want to add. If two numbers are negative also, we want to add. So here two numbers are negative, I am going to add, and this 27 plus 9, it is nothing but 36. So x square minus 36 is equal to 0. Now children, this one we want to solve, right? So x square minus 36, here also either by transposing method we can factorize it, or else you can apply the identity, because how many terms at last we have arrived? Only two terms. So two terms in the sense what I told you, both if it is in the form of perfect square, we can apply the third identity, a square minus b square. Here 36, it's a perfect square, right? So how to write your x square minus 36? X square minus 6 square is equal to 0. So a square minus b square, what is the identity? A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So this can be written as x plus 6 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. After we have reached this step, we want to equating to 0 separately, the linear factors. So first x plus 6 equal to 0, transpose your 6 next side, it becomes x is equal to minus 6. Okay. Then what is another factor? X minus 6. Then take your x minus 6 is equal to 0. Transpose your minus 6 this side. So minus 6 will become positive 6. So this is your second answer. Okay. So now we have reached the two answers, minus 6 plus 6. This is I have applied identity to factorize. What identity I have applied? This one, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. If you feel no, I couldn't remember the identity, how can I solve it? Easy. Just you transpose this 36 next side. This is another way. This is one method. Another method I tell you here. Or you can transpose this minus 36 this side. So x square minus 36 will change into plus 36. Then actually we need to find the answer for x only, no? So we want to remove the square root. So just you transpose your square next side. Square will change into square root. So x is equal to plus or minus 36. So how can you write this? 36 square root of 6 into 6. According to the square root concept, in this pair we can take one number outside, right? So x is equal to square root, in the sense we have to give the plus or minus symbol. I can take out one number outside. So the